stories left untold. From the Soyo to Biloxi, from Meridian, here's the Queen, the state capital of Jackson, and every town that's in between them. With compassion for our farmers and strength for every vet, he dreams of a tomorrow that we won't soon forget. Top Pinkins for the Senate, he's the one we trust. For justice, hope, and honor, he's fighting for all of us. With a heart full of courage and a voice so strong, for Mississippi's future, Ty's been here all along. From Clarksdale down to Greenville, to Rolling Fork strong, from Pittsburgh to Grenada, he'll just keep marching on. From Oxford to Starkville, Philadelphia to Enabina, Madison to Moss Point, and every town that's in between them, he stands for women's rights, their freedom to decide, their health, their choice, with Ty by their side. For every voice that's been silenced, he'll amplify the call. For women's reproductive freedom, he's fighting for us all. In between them, Top Pinkins for the Senate, he's the one we trust. For justice, hope, and honor, he's fighting for all of us. With a heart full of courage and a voice so strong, for Mississippi's future, Ty's been here all along. From the dirt roads of the Delta to the Gulf Coast shores, from Hattiesburg to the Golden Triangle, Ty's vision means much more. He stands for every region, every voice, and every dream, uniting us together with a future that will gleam. Protecting Medicare and Social Security for our seniors dear, preserving it for future generations so they'll have no fear. Ty standing up for justice, ensuring care for everyone, for our elders and our children. His work is never done. Ooh, Ty Pinkins for the Senate, he's the one we trust. For justice, hope, and honor, he's fighting for all of us. With a heart full of courage and a voice so strong, for Mississippi's future, Ty's been here all along. Together we will rise, together we'll unite. With Top Pinkins in the Senate, our future's looking bright. For Mississippi's children, for the state we call home, with Ty we'll build a future like we've never known.